Hi, welcome to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. Today we are going to be seeing about 5 best and easy programming languages for you to start. So let's go. So the first programming language we will be talking about is Python. So Python is basically fun, easy and can be used at a lot of places, just like Rubik's Cube. So it's fun and easy to understand, and once you learn it, it will help you a lot. So now exactly like that, Python can be used at a lot of places. You can use it to create mobile apps, games, desktops, even website servers, a lot of places. So it is easy to learn and is very fun and engaging for you to start as a beginner. Did you know the foosball table is created as a miniature of a football field? And the football is the most watched games across the world and has the most number of fans for a single sport. Just like that, JavaScript is used by most number of programmers all around the world and has a huge fan base. Why? Because it is the most important language for you to create a website, and it is used both in front end and also a back end. I know it's little technical, but it is very important for you to understand it because that is what is used to create any website you see available in the internet. So that is why it is important for you to learn JavaScript also. The next programming language you are going to be seeing is C++. It's classic, just like chess. Even though this game is outdated, you still learn a lot from it, right? So it has been created a long time ago, but you still play it because it teaches you a lot of strategy and how to approach a problem and a lot of other things. Exactly like that, C++ is still important because it doesn't have a lot of predefined functions available for you, but it will help you understand what is happening behind the scenes in a programming language, and it will help you understand in-depth knowledge about how to solve a problem using a programming language. That is why it is important for you to understand this language and start learning it. Next, we are going to be talking about 2 languages. One is for Android, another one is for iOS. For Android, you have to learn Kotlin. Kotlin is the most language trending right now for you to start developing Android applications. So it is easy to use and it is recommended by Android and Google community itself. So if you start learning Kotlin, you will be able to create native Android applications which you can use in your mobile phones itself if you have Android. Now let's see about iOS. So the opposite end of Android is iOS. For iOS, you have to be creating apps only using Swift language. So Swift language can be used for creating both iPhone apps and also for Mac. So the tricky part about Swift is you can only use this language to create iOS and Mac apps only if you have Apple laptops or desktops. So that's the tricky part. So that's why it's very elite. So I hope you enjoy creating iOS apps using Swift language. We hope you enjoyed the video today. We really want you to start learning any of these programming languages and improve your skills. So you can learn any of these programming languages, you know where, hackerkid.org. Go sign up now and start learning about it. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon, and definitely do share it with your friends.